Hi, I am in Park Shore on Gulf Shore Boulevard, and the tall building there is the Terraces building. This bay has lots of magnificent multi-million-dollar homes. Some of them on the water would go between $5 to $7 million. There's a new construction home right there. But the beauty of living in Park Shore is that as a resident, you have the beach access across the street here. There's a lovely walkway that takes you down to Venetian Village, where there's trendy shops and restaurants, galleries. And I actually have a dock slip here, slip number 59 for sale. And I'm going to show you that slip. It's further down the T right here. And this is the beginning of the slip here, this piling and two pilings down over here. That says 59 right here. So you have a nice wide slip. It's approximately 20.3 feet across width and 40 feet long. It's nice because it's a little bit further out on the T where you have open water here, so that it's really easy to navigate and back up your boat into the slip when you come in, as opposed to having a slip closer to the sidewalk, a little bit tighter area there. You can usually go out 42, 43 feet, a tad post the pilings. And you have electric, water access on site here, and relatively speaking low fees of under $1,400 for the year. So it's a beautiful place to buy property, a house or a condo, buy a boat slip, and enjoy both beach and boating. The price of the slip, number 59, is $34,000. So if you have any interest, give me a call at 239-404-3911. One of the most desired areas in Naples, Park Shore. Zip code is 34103. I'll talk to you soon.